fire started in the engine bay and spread fast. The front structure is compromised, but the frame is holding. I'm scanning the interior now. The wiring is completely melted. Okay, let's cut this section free. Right, I'll pull the panel. Okay, got it. Let's set it down. This panel's stuck tight! I'll hammer the grill loose. Watch for sparks! Okay, loosen the last two. Got it. Almost there. Ready for the new one? Yes, bring it over. All right, lining it up. Okay, torque it down. Let's check the structural damage first. Right, the windshield is shattered. Document the cracks, they're extensive. Noting it. What about the interior? We'll check that next. Let's finish this. This side is clear now. Great. I'll finish up over here.
Setiap barang punya cerita, dan tugas kita adalah menghidupkan kembali cerita itu. Jika kalian punya ide untuk direstorasi, kasih tahu saya lewat kolom komentar. Jangan lupa like and share. Terima kasih.